Okay, so we're going to use also and to. In this, we're going to write about your favorite room. First of all, let's read. Read Judy's message to her pen pal and what's her favorite room. Hi, Ingrid. I'm writing to you from my favorite room. I love this room. It has a big table in it, and it also has a lot of light. I usually do my homework here because it's normally quiet too. It's also really warm because the stove is next to the table. I can send a photo if you want. See you soon, Judy. Entonces, aquí tenemos que Judy describe cómo es su habitación favorita. En esto vemos que están utilizando also y to. Vamos a leer how-to tips in the box. Use also and to add another fact. Use also after the verb be and before other verbs. And we use to at the end of the sentence. Entonces vamos a ver el escrito, el texto, y vamos a identificar. Okay, so here we have the reading that we were listening to the message. So, hi Ingrid, I'm writing to you from my favorite room. I love this room. It has a big table in it, and it also, so here we have also, has a lot of light. Sorry, that part. A lot of light. I usually do my homework here because it's normally quiet too. Another we use again, to. When we use it at the end of the sentence. Also, we use it to add another fact. Para hablar de otro hecho más, usamos also. She's saying it has a big table in it and it also has a lot of light. Entonces, it's another fact. Está añadiendo otro hecho. I usually do my homework here because it's normally quiet too. So we just found two. Estamos haciendo esta parte, este ejercicio. Underline examples of also and to in the message. It's also, here we have again, also really warm because the stove is next to the table. I can send you a photo if you want. So here we identified also, to, and again, also. We have some, we're going to see here, in the, let's share the, okay. So in this part, what we are doing is extracting, we took out some lines, extractions from we extracted some information from the text, the message. We use also and to, first of all, in the how-to box. Use also and to add another fact. In the first sentence we have, it has a big table in it. It has a big table in it. That's one fact. And also has a lot of light. It's describing the room. Está describiendo el cuarto. It has a big table in it and also has a lot of light. Use also, okay, use to at the end of the sentence. I usually do my homework here. They're talking about the room because it's normally quiet too. To always goes at the end of the sentence. You're explaining two things here and it goes to, because it's two facts, but it goes at the end. Estás hablando de dos hechos, pero al final pones to. You could put it up here. También pudieras haber dicho, it has a big table in it and also has a lot of light too. También puedo, en vez de poner also, puedes poner to al final. Okay? And when it says here, use also after be. Be, the verb be is, are, am. Okay? In this case, it is also after the verb to be also. If you have the verb to be, it goes also. If not, it goes before any other verb. Before other verbs. Here we have has. It goes before has. Okay? So we have the three uses here in these sentences of also, to, also. We could say in this sentence, it's really warm because the stove, it's really warm because the stove is next to the table. Sorry. We could say, I usually do my homework here because it's also normally quiet instead of to. Or because I usually do my homework here because normally it's also very quiet. Okay, so you can also you can use also instead of to, like in this one. It has a big table in it and has a lot of light too, instead of also. Okay, so we continue with the